Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I have here another package that I received from Gabriele Falcinelli from Great Fountain, but this was sent in behalf of someone else, so this will be interesting. So this is a package that was sent by Great Fountain, but on behalf of William Shakour from who is that guy that makes these crazy pens, the Titan, in 3D printing. So let me check what we have here. I have a hint, but I don't know the details, so let me see. So this letter says, Dear Paul, I hope to find you well. I'm sending you this pen sleeve from William Shakour. I made it with care to fit his pocket pen and I hope you'll enjoy it. For more info, please contact William when this arrives. See you soon, have a nice day and stay safe. Gabriele Falcinelli. So, this is, oh, it's nice. Okay, this is a pen sleeve that maybe I can say it was, I don't know really the details, I only knew that William Shakour asked Gabriele to send me this, but as far as I know, this is the sleeves for the Pocket Titan, which are not made by William, but by Gabriele at the Great Fountain. And this is a nice one, it has the logo that is also on the nib. You see that logo with the big circle and the small dot there, the same logo there. It is a very nice thick leather sleeve, really nice. And so now I will have, of course this wouldn't fit a crazy pen like this pen is really crazy, but it is fun, but it will protect the Titan Pocket, and this is nice. I really like to have sleeves to have my pocket pens, and I like that mostly because when you have a fountain pen, of course, there is always the chance of something going wrong and some ink to come in to get dislodged from the pen and getting on your pocket, so on our clothes. That may happen all the time. But when you keep it on your jeans pocket, the risk is much heavier than if you have on your jacket's pocket. This way I like to have, it's not that the pen will fail, but sometimes because you're walking with a pen on your pocket, sometimes something as simple as this happens. The pen gets, it turns, the cap gets loose and you'll get the pen from your pocket, you pull it, and at one point you'll only have the cap and the nib is in contact with the fabric of your jeans, for example, and you'll get ink all over. So this is a very nice item. It's really useful. I will use it. I believe this one will get the shape of the silhouette of the pen marked on the leather, because that happens a lot with pocket pens and it is kind of beautiful. I like that. And if I take this out, you already see that it warped a little bit. I love to see how leather ages and kind of adapts to the pen. And this is something helpful because I have this pen and I've been carrying it mostly on a bigger on a bigger pen pouch or pen case, and not really on my jeans pocket. Now that I have this, I'll be able to get this pen on my jeans pocket protected like that. I'm really happy for this. This is really an amazing item. Yes, it's not that small of a sleeve, but this pocket pen is really kind of big. And you may say, but it looks small. Yes, it looks small next to a giant Titan, but the Pocket Titan is also a big pen. And again, let me just do this, and you see how smaller the Pocket Titan is. It's not that smaller. So it is a very interesting pen, very big nib. I really enjoy it. I'm loving using this pen, and now I can use it more more regularly and with this. So I don't have the details to tell you now, because when I make these videos sometimes I don't know all the details about this. I know that Great Fountain makes this for William Shakour to have this pocket pen. I will try to contact William and Gabrielle meanwhile and ask them how this is made, where we can order this pen sleeve, and then I will let you know when I'll make maybe a long-term or a middle-term use of this. I will make a review by that time. When this is used enough, we will see how it ages and how good it is to get the Pocket Titan with me everywhere. So again, thank you, William. Thank you, Gabrielle, for sending me this, and a review will be out someday. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, not really a pen video, but a pen accessory video, and I hope to meet you here again on the channel soon. Bye!